Hi. Do you know what? Having notes is even harder, but like, okay, yes, we again. 2 oaks from little acorns grow. Akabuto kirekire. Abla. Okay. Ay. I can't even read my own handwriting right now. Okay, visa. We use it. Oh my days. Can you say that? We fit a goal. You have a goal and he's addicted though. He shouldn't have told her. That's what I say. Like in the song, yeah, in all honesty, he didn't have to tell her, oh, all the time, yeah, you're the only one. That's why she's hurting like that. You can't be like repeating every day, you're the only one. Even the fact that he's repeating every day, you're the only one. There's something fishy there. Like, why do you have to keep telling me? It's like you're not sure yourself. You're not sure of yourself, saying you're the only one. Yeah, but he had a wife and kids. She wasn't ready for that bump. She was like, yeah, another chick, yes, but I wasn't ready for wife, kids, and expecting baby. Damn, girl. Damn, son. Listening to French music, talking English, and recording a Kinyarwanda video. Tell me how it's not gonna get muddled up now and then. But you guys are great. You guys are great. You stick with me. Yes, we're moving. Today's taking so long to record. I'm telling you guys, lighting. My charger it did a number on me today. Anyway, Gani yakan. Okay. Migani yakan. I hope my lips are not dry. That's the worst thing you can do, because then when you get to edit, it's too late. You can't go back and cream your lips. Oops. Ugaha ubuto ibuye ariya urwara akum. In all honesty, that even me saying that sentence was very poor. I can tell you that now. Abajen. Say Abajen. But Abajen is like the young ones. Yeah? Guys, please, I need help with this one. Uruko. Umusore. Okay, that's a youth, yeah. But umusore is a man. Sore. Abasore is young boys, young men. Biruko. Ubyiruko. But it's not here, Ubyiruko. Aridia. Ubyiruko is like people. But anyway, now we're going back to hari igihe mu in life. Yeah, okay. To time it's Kinyarwanda. I think so. Yeah. Ko structure. No judge. Nutere amagambo ku muntu kubera ko naguzi histoire y'umuntu, something like that.